The African Apostolic Church of Apostle of Africa, number 8, Jefferson Road, Logan Park, Hatfield, Harare. He said unto them, go into all the world and preach the gospel to all creation. Whoever believes and is baptized will be saved, but whoever does not believe will be condemned. And these signs will follow those who believe in my name. Mark 16, verse 15. To see the power in the gospel of Jesus Christ, who commissioned this seven and of Africa. We are cordially invite you to the African Apostolic Church Johannesburg North District Holy Gathering to be held on Saturday, 4 September 2021 at Tutuka Primary School, Tembisa, Johannesburg. For more information, please feel free to contact the African Apostolic Church Johannesburg North District Executives on their numbers emerging on the screen.